Good morning from New York. But today, I'm not here for the skyline we know. I want to find the city before it became vertical. Brooklyn Bridge always feels old, but today it feels like it's trying to remember something. Okay, this doesn't feel like the tourist route. Wait, why does my camera look like that? This is New York, but it feels like the whole city is still being built. This part of New York feels less like a postcard and more like the place people were trying to survive. The street wasn't just a road here. It was everyone's front yard. This feels like a market, a neighborhood, and a whole world packed into one street. You can feel it here. New York's food culture was already being built by people arriving from everywhere. New York's fashion story didn't start on runways. It started in rooms like this. Okay, I wasn't expecting 1809 New York to have this much style. So this is where the city started reaching up. Everything is moving faster. This was New York before it became vertical.
Break it, they're very short.
Okay, old New York definitely knew how to have a night out. This is chaos, but somehow it's the kind of chaos you can't help but love. There's so much life packed into this city. I think this is how I got here. I came here looking for old New York, but I think I found the people who built it. Now, when I look at New York, I don't just see the skyline. I see everyone it took to build it. Tokyo, 1970?